how to see send follow requests on Instagram and cancel them. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and it will lead you to your homepage, and you have to go to your profile. And then on the upper right, you will see the three dash lines. Tap on that. And then here you will see a lot of options. Go to your activity. Now if you click on your activity here you won't be able to see the recent follow history, right? Now to actually have a copy of your activity in Instagram, especially your follow request on Instagram, what you can do is to actually go here to your Safari or your web, to your Chrome or Safari, and then just type on Instagram.com and log into your account. Now here, as you can see, I have logged into my account. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see your profile icon there, right? Tap on that. And then on the upper left, you will see the gear icon. Tap on the gear icon and go to privacy and security. Now under privacy and security, what I want you to do next is to scroll down up until you see data download. Now under that, you will see the in blue text request download. Tap on that and you will have to type in your email and then choose the HTML and tap on next and just confirm it to send to your email. And basically you have around 24 hours. Around that time they will actually give you the recent history of your Instagram, including the people who actually you followed, and then including the send follow request that you've actually sent or made. And all you have to do is to take note of those accounts and then individually cancel them to your Instagram by searching them up here. And basically that's it. That's how you see send follow requests on Instagram, and that is all for today. And that's it. That's how you see send follow requests on Instagram and cancel them. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.